Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a super simple task, which is a great way for your family to get their nutrients. We're going to be making fresh squeezed lime juice, fresh squeezed orange juice. We're also going to be making fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, known as pamplemousse in French. I'm so excited. For storage today, we're going to be using my favorite glass Italian bottles. I have a link in the description below if you want to know where you can find them. Using glass bottles is a great way of keeping your nutrients for the whole week. All right, let's get started with the oranges. All right, today we're also going to be introducing my favorite brand for citrus juicer. It's called the Sakura brand. I also left a link for that in the description below. I've tried many different brands, but this is by far one of my favorites. So we're gonna be processing our fresh squeezed orange juice. Now here we go. It's so easy. I love this machine because it has a little pointer where it literally grips the orange. And all you have to do is gently apply it. And there you go. Now that we have our fresh squeezed orange juice, we're gonna be storing it away for the week. It's a super easy release to get your juice in there. Takes at least 2 rounds to get it full. All right, this is the last of it. Now it's all set and it's full. You can also put the pulp in there if you're a pulp kind of person. I just choose not to. I love my fresh squeezed orange juice as is. Now that our orange juice is ready and stored away, we're going to be processing our pamplemousse. Time to store our pamplemousse away. My favorite part about the Sakura juicer is right when you're done with your larger citrus items, all you have to do is literally take off the first part, and here you first same very great tip for the grip for the limes, which are much smaller. Last round, y'all. This is totally gonna be worth it. It's about 30-minute prep time, but it's so good to have fresh squeezed juice throughout the week. Here you go, you guys, for the final round. I'm going to be pouring my fresh squeezed lime juice into my little bottle. And if you're wondering what I do with these, I like to have fresh squeezed lime juice for my iced teas throughout the week. I like to have fresh squeezed lime juice to make my Italian soda, which is gonna be featured in an episode very soon. And I also just like to add it maybe to have some fresh lemonade. Watching my episode on how to have amazing nutrients throughout the week through your fresh squeezed beverages. There is nothing like a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice in the morning. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the red button below to subscribe for healthy tips and tricks to keep you inspired. See you guys next week.